Hello gamers, I'm back. Welcome to Catalonia Games YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at pack opening. First we need 30,000. Let's open the star pack and from it we will get cards with ratings of 102 to 105. I'm going to choose the center back card with the rating single 103.
What's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I am going to open the 3000 gems pack, from which I'll get cards with a rating of 100 to 105.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Wow, I just got McTominay CM card with a rating of 103.
To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We got some good cards today. Today is a lucky day. We'll see you in the next video. Everyone, subscribe to the channel. Okay, the video is ending.